Hello AML enthusiasts. It is crucial for businesses to properly identify customers and the potential risks associated with them. For this purpose, businesses undertake adverse media screening, which is an important element of the anti-money laundering and combating the financing of terrorism (AMLCFT) framework. Conducting adverse media screening requires various steps. Business entities must understand these steps to conduct the process effectively. So, today, we bring this video to explore a step-by-step methodology for performing adverse media screening. The foremost step for business entities is to collect relevant information about the customer or entities before going forward with business activity. For this purpose, they must collect government-issued identity documents that mention names, addresses, identification numbers, registration numbers, etc. The next step is compiling the list of sources that will be considered when conducting screening. These sources may include the following: news channels, local, national, and international; website of regulatory bodies; government watch lists; social media platforms; industry-specific sources, magazines, etc. Third-party databases. After determining clear criteria for adverse media, the next step is to select methods for undertaking screening. When performing screening, businesses may choose software and tools for adverse media or conduct internet research using search engines. After selecting, it is essential for businesses to input data of customers that they decided to screen and run searches against the listed sources. After a thorough screening process, businesses must evaluate the results. They must pay close attention to any hits or matches against their adverse media criteria. Further, it's essential to distinguish between false positives and genuine matches when evaluating and reviewing results. For potential matches or hits, businesses must conduct further investigations to verify the accuracy of the information. To verify, cross-referencing of the findings with additional sources must be done to ensure reliability. Once they confirm matches, businesses should assess the risk level associated with each customer based on the severity and relevance of the adverse media. When assessing, they should consider factors such as the nature of the allegations, the entity's relationship with the organization, and regulatory implications. Based on the risk assessment, businesses determine the appropriate course of action for confirmed matches. This may involve conducting enhanced due diligence, termination of business relationships, or reporting to relevant authorities. If no adverse media or false match is found, businesses may go forward and establish business relationships. However, it should be noted that adverse media screening is not the only element for onboarding decisions, as various other checks like sanctions, PEP, etc., are made before finalizing the onboarding decision. One should document findings, including the results of the screening, verification steps taken, and risk assessments, and maintain clear records to demonstrate compliance with regulatory requirements and internal policies. By following these steps, businesses can establish a robust methodology for adverse media screening and fulfill the needs of AML compliance. Hope this video helped you understand the step-by-step methodology to perform adverse media screening. Thank you.